Hey, it's your girl Booya and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, your girl will be doing a Get Unready with Me hair version. So, I've been using these products from Moringa-O². Ito yung Herbal shampoo and conditioner nila. So, I got these samples sa NLEX. Nagpamigay sila ng samples and I got these babies. And nung nag-story ako about these on Instagram, ang dami kong na-receive na response from you guys. Positive responses na sabi nyo, you really love these products and it really smoothened out your hair. So when I read your messages, I was like, I better try those out immediately. And your girl did. And you girl loved them. I know a lot of you guys are wondering how I maintain my hair's health because I style it very often. But guys, I'm gonna show you how I repaired my hair and show you how I maintain its health. So first for my routine, I grab my white teeth comb. Then after that, of course, I wet my hair. I've been using these products from Moringa-O². Ito yung Herbal shampoo and conditioner nila. It smoothens and nourishes the hair, helps minimizes the frizz, protects hair from UV sun damage. And after my wash routine, I like to top it off with Moringa-O²'s Herbal Hair Relaxing Serum. So I got this at Watson's for 200 pesos only. I'm a firm believer of oils for skincare and of course hair care. So to have tons of great oils in my shampoo and conditioner, that sold me. So this is what my hair looks like after washing it with the Malunggay Herbal shampoo and conditioner. I'ma use this all the time and I swear by it. Therefore, the Malunggay Herbal shampoo and conditioners are a boo. Yeah!